Welcome to EcoFry's bulk fresh and waste oil training, helping you handle oil safely. We'll start by disconnecting the waste hose from the mount by unclipping the wing nuts. Head over to the fryer and reconnect the hose to the waste outlet, making sure the wing nuts are tight and secure. Open the valve and place the nozzle in the fryer and head to the control panel. Turn it to waste, the green light will come on and the pump will automatically start. Now you can place the nozzle into the fryer and commence vacuum out the waste oil. If there are any complications in the process, you can always go back to the control panel and hit the emergency stop. Make sure you get out as much as you can out of the fryer, the shoulders that are in that fryer, and it's strongly recommended to let the pump run for about 15 to 20 seconds longer to make sure that all the residual that's left in that hose is also vacuumed out. Now we'll close the valve and then we'll head back to the control panel and shut down the system by hitting the emergency stop. Now the vacuum system has been closed down, the valve has been turned off, we can disconnect the waste hose and then take it back to the wall mount and store that again for its next intended use. Making sure that the wing nuts once again are tightly secured, locked and secured in place. It's now time to fill the fryer with our EcoFry cooking oil. Unwind the hose and place the nozzle in the fryer. Head over to the control panel and flick the switch to fresh oil. The pump will commence and the green light will come on. And then we open the fresh oil valve, which will allow the oil to pump through the nozzle. Grab the nozzle, pull the trigger and fill the fryer. This is a very quick process. Once the fryer is filled, I suggest wiping down the nozzle with a paper towel just to stop any oil that may drip on the floor. Once fully filled, it's time to shut down the oil valve and replace the hose and the nozzle back into the storage area. Once this is completed, we'll head back over to the control panel. We'll hit the red button and shut the system down. Now your fryer is ready to use.